I've been on this pier several times as a kid. And it's just gone. Going on, my friends? I'm here at Lovers Key Beach. This is our first beach day here, day after the plane flight. We finally get to do some Florida things. Lovers Keys, and it's actually like a state park you can come to. $8 for parking, and it's got a beautiful beach here that we're gonna do some shell hunting on. It's a good day just to relax on the beach for a little while. And we're gonna let the adventure go from there, because we really don't have a big plan today. Great day right here. Chilling at the beach, walking in the water. The water's very warm. Nothing like Michigan lakes where it's ice cold. Very, very warm. Very nice. Not really many clouds in the sky, even though we're supposed to get some thunderstorms a little bit later over that way. So they're coming. They're coming. The heat's making them build up. We're gonna get a thunderstorm. All in all, this is a great beach. There's like nobody on the beach today. It is a weekday, so I understand that. I know the weekend is going to be packed. But we don't plan on going to the beach on a weekend. Going to a flea market. I've been there before. Never filmed it, because it was before I started YouTube. Can't wait for these adventures to go. This is a lot of fun, but the beach isn't the only thing we're doing today. We're going to be going down to Fort Myers, checking out what the hurricane has done there. Because that used to be the beach I used to go to all the time as a kid. Go down to Fort Myers and check that out. Might do some trails here, because they got some trails all along in there, and there was iguanas on the road, so we're gonna go check that out. Just have some fun. I'm gonna work on my tan though, roll up my sleeves, work on a tan. What you're seeing here is actually all the effects of that Hurricane Ian that came through. Destroyed a lot of the beaches. Look at all these dead plants. I don't know if it's exactly all from Hurricane Ian, because a lot of the stuff looks burnt. And I don't know if they had a fire or not here recently. I should look that up. Yeah, look, I just found a couple sand dollars over that way. So that's what I'm looking for right now. Some more sand dollars. Yeah, just look at that. Look, you can see all the trees bent over that way. A lot of the vegetation is gone. Sad to see, but Hurricane Ian Did a number. Just glad everything's getting back to normal. This beach actually looks amazing. It's really cleaned up really well. Like, there's hiking trails that way. We might go check out after we're done here. But it is hot, very hot. Oop, that's a fire ant mound. Do not step on that. We have made it to Fort Myers, where Hurricane Ian did the most destruction. Look at this pier over here. I've been on this pier several times as a kid. And it's just gone. Used to be a restaurant right here. Used to be a bunch of restaurants actually down this way. Used to be a Dairy Queen right here. Surf shop right there several times, but now it's just completely gutted. It looks like they got some food trucks and stuff out here, trying to bring it back. And they are doing a bunch of construction on all the hotels. Today. That was a fun day. We were at the beach. I got burnt. Actually, let me show you my shoes. Some marks. Weird tan lines now from my sandals. But it's all good here. Actually getting ready for the day tomorrow. Tomorrow we're going to the zoo that's around here. I've never been, so it might be interesting to see the zoo. Don't know the rest of our plans that day because the zoo closes at 3, which is really odd. We might go hit up an orange juice store that's not far from here, which is going to be fun. But man, that Fort Myers, seeing Fort Myers was like heartbreaking because that's the beach that we used to go to all the time from when I was a little kid to like 18, 19. Every family vacation was spent on the Fort Myers beach in the town square area, walking around there. And just to see it all destroyed and have nothing there, it's very, very heartbreaking. And I hope it all turns around within a year or two. Hopefully it gets better. It's only been a year since it happened, but hopefully it gets better in the next few years. And we can come back and we can show you guys like what they did to make like what it looks like after years of Ian hitting it. But yeah, anyways, it was a great day today, guys. I enjoyed the beach, saw some shells, played in the water. I keep forgetting it's salt water, so every time it gets in my mouth or my eyes, I'm like, that being said, my friends, if you enjoyed this vlog, you know what to do. And if you are new here, remember check out the rest of the channel because I make tons of videos. Right now we're doing a thing called Dev Does Florida, and we're having some fun. So with that being said, my friends, I'll see y'all in the next one.